Well, Singapore's competition watchdog is looking into whether a proposed deal between Singapore Airlines and Malaysia Airlines breaches any rules. It is seeking feedback from the public on the matter for 3 weeks starting today. Now, the Competition and Consumer Commission of Singapore says it has received and accepted the joint application of the partnership. Last month, both parties finalized an agreement to share revenue on flights between Singapore and Malaysia and expand code share routes. Now, the parties have submitted that while they currently provide overlapping direct and indirect routes between Singapore and 7 destinations in Malaysia, the focus should be on the overlapping routes between Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, as well as between Singapore and Kuching. They added that the pact is unlikely to result in adverse effects on competition, as there are low-cost carriers on the overlapping direct routes and alternative modes of transportation, such as coach and private car services on the Singapore-KL route. The parties add that the pact will also result in efficiencies as well as consumer and economic benefits.